Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, you're probably here if you still think the 10x income system is fake, okay? As I mentioned before, Tabby D is the creator of the 10x income system. As you probably might already know if you watch my videos already, or if you're already familiar with the 10x income system. Now, you can get autopilot traffic daily using the system, lifelong traffic, never worry about traffic and sales ever again. 100% passive, no manual work involved. Stop failing and finally break through. 365-day money back guarantee. Now, let's pretend whoever is watching this is just rolling their eyes to everything I just said here, right? Okay, autopilot traffic daily. Yeah, it's probably too good to be true. Uh, you might probably have to pay additionally for that, which you do. That is true. That is absolutely true. Once you buy this program for $297, used to be $997. It's $297 now because there's a giant price cut. After you buy this program, there are traffic packages that you can buy, and that's pretty much what you're using to get sales. So you will have to buy the traffic packages, guys. That is an additional cost to what is here. Okay. Now, how much are these traffic packages? Okay, the first traffic package you can buy is $60, okay? And you get 5,000 people, 5,000 high converting leads going straight to your affiliate link. And you're probably asking, hey, that's probably too good to be true. And it sounds too good to be true, but it's true because Tabby D is a Google Ads traffic expert, guys, and she's collecting these leads for you to buy, guys, just so you can actually get some sales with this system, okay? Hey, and don't take my word for it, guys. Do some research on it, all right? And of course, lifelong traffic, guys, is just the traffic packages that you are getting inside this program. It is 100% passive once you start making sales through these traffic packages, guys. It does become a passive income, guys. And of course, for those of you who are, still working at this, guys, you can stop failing and finally break through. And guess what? If all this turns out to be fake, guys, if all this turns out to be untrue and just a nasty old scam, look at this. 365-day money back guarantee, guys, right? So, if you're not happy with what's here, guys, there's always that. So, anyone who is new to this or just thinking about it can, for now, I'm not sure if this will change in the future, but for now, they can try it. 365-day money back guarantee. And of course, there's a link to this page in the description of this video down below if you want to check that out and read more yourself, guys. Because you scroll down, there's some testimonials and other information, guys. Of course, you got all sorts of platforms backing her up, guys, because Tabby D is legit. If you look her up, guys, she is, let's look down here. Yep, seven-figure coach Tabby D, guys. So let's go down. Yes, there's all sorts of articles and stuff you can read up on, guys. So don't just take my word for it. Do some research, guys. A link to this page is in the description of this video, guys. If you want to check out, guys, and read up on those articles, guys. But this is real. This is a new program that literally just came out 2 weeks ago. A lot of people are jumping on and actually making money with it, guys. And pretty soon, I can guarantee you that this price is going to go back to $997 or higher, and this 365-day money back guarantee might not even be here anymore, guys. So now's the time to definitely take advantage of what she's got here, guys, because it's working, believe it or not. All right. So make sure to do your own research on it, guys. Until next time, see you later.